Obesity is a very big and interesting problem. Obesity is an extremely large and fascinating issue. A lot of people think a significant number of experts are of the opinion fast food is bad for health. Fast food is detrimental for health. Nutritious food is good for health. Nutritious food is hugely beneficial for health. Not many doctors think. A tiny number of health professionals are convinced. In this essay, I will discuss this problem. In this essay, I will discuss this matter. It can have bad consequences. It can have disastrous consequences. It is interesting that exercise boosts mental health. It is noteworthy that exercise boosts mental health. Kazakhstan is a big country. Kazakhstan is a vast country. It is interesting that rich people often have access to better health care. It is noteworthy that affluent individuals often have access to better health care.